Whatever, dude. You lost an embarrassing fashion yesterday. You're going to lose today, too. My name is Dorian, and this is SEM. And today we're going to talk about video game publishers. And we're going to talk about the big three: EA, Activision Blizzard, and Take-Two Interactive Software. EA is known for like Madden. You know, that's why they're going to win. Madden. Uh, Activision Blizzard, pretty sure you guys heard of Call of Duty. Yeah, they make that. And Take-Two, Grand Theft Auto. Now, we're going to give you all the information as far as that goes, but today, how we're going to base a winner is we're going to base it off of who is worth the most, company value. So, I got EA. Don, the producer, got Activision Blizzard. And if Take-Two wins, I guess we both have egg on our face. So stay tuned. Should be interesting. And we're going to start off with Take-Two. Take-Two Interactive Software was founded back in 1993. And it has two main labels, Rockstar Games and 2K. The firm is one of the world's largest independent video game publishers on consoles, PCs, smartphones, and tablets. The Take-Two franchise main portfolio is Grand Theft Auto, 220 million units sold, but it also has well-known titles like NBA 2K, Borderlands, BioShock. The number of employees it has is 4,894. The headquarters is New York, New York. The stock price at the time of this recording is $131.25, and the total company value is $14.8 billion. Take-Two Interactive Software. And next up, it's Electric Arts, or EA. EA is one of the world's largest third-party video game producers and has transitioned from just being a console-based video game publisher to now being one of the largest in PC and mobile. It's known for franchises like Madden, FIFA, Battlefield, Mass Effect, Need for Speed. It recently signed a 10-year contract with Disney. So they're going to be developing like the Star Wars games for Disney. Its number of employees is 9,700. It is located, or its headquarters is Redwood City, California. At the time of this recording, their price stock is $120.05. And the total company value is $34.7 billion. EA. And last up is Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard was formed in 2008 when Activision, one of the world's largest console video game publishers, combined with Blizzard, one of the world's largest PC video game publishers. It has an impressive portfolio with World of Warcraft, which has boosted more than 8 billion lifetime sales. That is a lot. And Call of Duty, which has sold over 175 million copies across 14 titles over 12 years. Plus, I'll be remiss, I'm an EA guy, but Overwatch is pretty fun to play. They have that too. The number of employees is 9,200. Their headquarters is Santa Monica, California. At the time of this recording, their stock price is $70.77. And their company value is, that got to be a typo. No, that's a typo. $54.5 billion. Activision Blizzard. Yeah. You won. Whoopee, yahoo, hooray. Whatever. You heard what I read. EA Sports signed with Disney, so soon they're going to be taking off as soon as they start making their Star Wars video game. So I don't want to hear it. So it's going to change. It's going to change. But you win this time. But my question is, what is your favorite video game? Did we mention it? I mean, most people are probably going to say Fortnite, but you know, let us know in the comments, what is your favorite video game that you like to play? And in saying that, if you are new here to SEM, please hit that subscribe button and become part of this SEM Nation. Once you become part of this nation, get that bell notification. You'll know when a new video comes out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. My name is Dorian. This is SEM. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a good day. Whatever. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. So you just got lucky.